Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, we are going to create this beautiful pink look. If you would like to see how to get this look, keep on watching. First, I'm priming with my e.l.f. primer. Alright, so I already primed with the e.l.f. primer. Now I'm gonna spray my face with this. With my all-nighter spray, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my sponge. The foundation I'm using, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Superstay. I mix the color 220 Natural Beige and 112 Natural Ivory. So I already mixed that. I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Just gonna go on ahead and blend it. Okay, once my concealer is blended, I'm gonna go on ahead with the Airspun. I'm gonna go in and make sure I have no creases. Next, I'm grabbing my JS2 brush and I'm going to dust all of that powder off. I think we're gonna go in with eyeshadow right now, and then we'll come back and I'll do my face later. I'm gonna use probably some colors from the Modern Renaissance and from the Morphe X James palette. Prime my lids, I use the Tarte Shape Tape to do that. Then I'm grabbing this Morphe White 10 brush. Once my eyelids are set, I'm going in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star JS3. I'm going in with Flashback. Alright, so here is one eye completed. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna apply false lashes. We will see once I finish the other eye. But okay, let's start with the other eye. I'm going to start with a fluffy brush like this. I'm first going to go in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to grab Raw Sienna. And that's going to be our transition color. So I'm just blending this color on the crease, and as you can see, I'm bringing it more above my crease, almost to like my brow bone. That's so when we apply the next color, we can have like a nice transition. I'm going in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star, the JS6. From the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I'm grabbing Buon Fresco. And I'm adding that in the crease. I'm basically blending this color also where we put the transition. I'm trying to blend them a little bit together, but I'm basically focusing that color on the crease. Okay, once that is done, I'm going into the James Charles palette, and I'm going first with Love That. And I'm gonna go ahead and focus that right here. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH40. It's just a pencil brush. As you can see now, I'm kind of starting to blend the edges. Once that color is on and blended, I'm going to go ahead and grab the color Skip. And I'm just adding that color on the crease. I also used this other Morphe palette. It's called, I'm not sure if, I feel like this one, they took it off the market, the 35B palette. I'm mixing basically the two pink shades. And I'm adding that on the crease. With this Morphe JS5 brush with no product, just to blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape and this Wet n Wild brush. It's just a flat brush, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. One trick you could do with cut creases is once you apply it, you look up and you see it marks where you should cut the crease. If you mess up the shape, it's fine because we're gonna go ahead with more of that pink eyeshadow right there. So I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild flat brush. I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to grab Buon Fresco again. That color all over the lid. Okay, so once that color is on, I'm going to go back and forth between these brushes, the JH43 and the JH40. It's a flat brush and a pencil brush. So I'm gonna go back in with the two pink shades, Skip and this other pink shade from the other Morphe palette. And I'm going to be stamping that right here. This is basically, to me, it's like cleaning up the crease. Like I said, like if you made the shape a little weird or something, you can go back in with this brush and fix it. So now I'm going in with the pencil brush to just blend that out. I'm going in with the JH42, and it's just a small flat brush. This palette and this other Morphe palette I have, I'm gonna grab the two light pink shimmers, and I'm going to put that on top of the color we used. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner. I used the NYX eyeliner. Now, once I have this, I'm basically gonna do the wing. First, I'm going in with my Voluminous Original. I'm gonna go with that same mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise, the waterproof one, and I'm going to add just one coat of that. Going in with the Morphe Y2, and I'm going into the Hoola bronzer. Next, I'm going to put that on my forehead right here. And I'm going to add some right here. I'm grabbing this Morphe Y19 and contour my nose. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. These two. I'm going to use a smaller brush, the Morphe Y19. I'm going to use a Morphe Y4, just a blush brush to apply brush. And I'm going to use this NYX palette. Like pinks, like probably these three shades. I apply blush everywhere, whatever's left on the brush. I go on my chin, my forehead, the nose. It's like the tip of the nose. Highlight. I'm gonna use these two bottom shades, and I'm using the JS4, just the highlighting brush. Grab that brush we used to highlight our inner corners, and I'm going to use that to highlight my nose. Grab some powder, and I'm going to cut under my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color medium brown. I'm using AS7. It's just a spoolie brush. I just fill in the ends of my brows. I just follow the shape I just set them with this e.l.f. brow gel. Now I'm going to remove this powder with the JS2. Use this mini Kat Von D liquid lipstick. It's called Ludwig. Now I'm gonna set my face first with the Urban Decay All Nighter and then with the Wet n Wild Cucumber. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to see me create more colorful looks, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.